People who own a car or any other vehicles will be in need to carry the essential tools in order to handle the repair at times of need. It is to be noted that the tools must be carried safely without getting damaged. The best way to carry the tools is using the toolbox. The toolbox can be used for various reasons. The main advantages of using these boxes is discussed as follows. People who are taking more number of tools in their vehicle or in the garage must organize the tools in a proper way. In case if they are kept messy, the users will have great difficulty in choosing the tool which they are in need of. Hence, they can use the toolboxes to organize all their tools in a proper way. Thus, they can easily pick the one at times of need. While carrying the tools from one place to another, the chances of getting damaged will be higher. Since these boxes will not require any special maintenance, they are quite reliable to handle. In order to know about the toolboxes, one can read more in reputed online reviews websites. Shelving overhead racks and a slot wall hanging storage system will help immeasurably when it comes to keeping a garage organized. Effective garage storage systems that provide a home for everything prevent clutter from accumulating. They also make it easier to keep a garage tidy with less effort. With so many choices available when it comes to upgrading your garage storage capabilities, there is one option you might be overlooking – a garage cabinet system. Many homeowners might think a garage cabinet system just isn't for them. Perhaps you don't spend enough free time in the garage to believe such a purchase would be worth it. You might be under the impression that storage cabinetry is meant solely for garages that are owned by people with a big pool collection who love working with their hands. While a garage cabinet system is ideal for garages where vehicle maintenance and carpentry projects occur on a regular basis, the fact is that every garage can benefit from having one. One of the unquestionable benefits of having a cabinet system installed in your garage is that it will significantly cut down on your floor clutter. Even if you have a larger 2- or 3-car garage and available storage space isn't a pressing concern, that garage floor clutter can still be a persistent nuisance. Whether you are tripping over clutter or finding it hard to locate tools when they are needed, there is a real practicality to removing things from your garage floor and keeping them neatly stored in a garage cabinet system. When cabinetry is partnered with some of those aforementioned garage storage systems like slat wall panels, you will be amazed at how much nicer your garage looks and feels when it's clutter-free. Thanks for watching, until next time.